This 1958 Royal Futura typewriter has been refurbished. It's in near mint condition and it is ready to type. This two-tone typewriter looks really nice. It has just a few nicks on it. There's one here right on the front. The keys look great. It types great. The back does have a few nicks and scratches on it. The typewriter also comes with its original case and a reprinted user's manual. I believe the handle is probably a replacement handle. And there's a piece of tape back here. Well, there's a tear there. It has been cleaned, and it's solid, and it does latch well.